Alright everybody, welcome back to Keith 60 Hotshot Adventures. We're doing an oil change on a 2005 Pontiac Vibe with the, I believe it's the 1ZZ 4-cylinder motor. So, right on the oil cap, it says 5W30. So I got some Pennzoil, high mileage 5W30. Got a STP filter here. I change the oil in this car about every 5,000. I've been doing that since I've had it. I've got 350 plus thousand miles on it right now. I think today marks about my mileage odometer on this car stops at 299,999. Didn't get it reflashed, didn't bother to care. I just keep track of it in a log. So this oil change marks about 357,000 miles. But anyway, so just straight down here, you go straight back. Your oil filter, you're looking down the front of the car, transmission, oil pan. So you come back down here. Your bolt right here is a 14 millimeter. Pop that out, drain it into the oil pan, and then from the bolt, follow it straight forward. There's like this little hoop cut. There's your oil filter. Okay, so there's your oil filter right there. Let's kind of reach up, twist it off. You might need a tool or something depending on how long it's been on there or how tight it is. In my last oil change video I did of a Kia, since it's vertical, I always pre-fill as much as I can. Throw some fresh oil in the ring, put it up there, go hand tight a little bit more, and that's it. You don't need to get on a, you don't need to torque it on there, nothing crazy. Tighten this up, nothing crazy. Doesn't need to be on there with 100 foot-pounds of torque or anything. And that's it. You just drain that out, put the filter on. I got it on 2 jack stands here, kind of right behind the wheel, and I just have it right there. I usually jack it up. I usually put my floor jack right here on this bolt, so I jack it up, and then it gives me enough space to put this little jack stand right there. And we're gonna refill it with the Pennzoil here. Takes about 4.5 quarts. Put 4 in it, pull the dipstick, check it, put a little more in there, check it until it's full, and then you're done. So, thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys next time.